Will you take part in my life, my love? That is my dream. I is what I dream. It's what you make it. Always try to give. Don't ever take it. Life is what I dream.
Oh wait, you're wearing glasses? Sometimes.
Always try to give. Don't ever take it.
I got no gas again. I'm that broke. I can't even put gas in my car. But anyway, welcome to the vlog. Let's get it going. It's getting dark very quick. And we made it. Friends' cars. So let's go find them now. I think there's a park all the way there. I'm actually extremely excited to go do some parkour because I haven't done it in a very long time. I'm really excited. Jinjim kind of sent a lot of people over to my channel to check it out, but I wasn't expecting like 300 people within like first hour. So it's pretty crazy. My channel had less than 1,000 subscribers. Now at this point it's probably 1,200. So I'm really excited. Thank you very much for everybody who's subscribed. Do a flip, do a flip. Okay. Hi. Oh.
Just do a flip.
Just do a flip.
Oh.
That's a cool flip. I've never seen that before.
This my shit. All the girls stomp your feet like this.
I'm not trying this one. Actually, maybe there. Just Pasha eating shit, part 1. I'm scared. Wait, give me 5. Okay.
Peace be with you.
Peace be with me. That was ugly.
It was so pretty.
Good for the vlog. Over 1,000 people watching.
Oh God.
Girls stomp your feet like this.
Oh. What is this again? Is he trying to do what?
It's okay.
Okay. That was damn good though. We were just fucking with you. He just did it. He tried. He actually tried cord.
Once again.
Oh my God! It was right in front of his face.
I witnessed.
He witnessed
all of the beauty.
Yeah. It's getting dark. Oh. No. It's getting pretty dark. I was not happy for this. My camera still picks up like really well, but it is getting dark, and we've been here for like 10 minutes so far. Oh God, it's scary. I'm just gonna do this. No, you're supposed to turn it off. You're supposed to turn. No. You're supposed to.
Wait, where you going? Come back. What's going on? Okay, bye.
I thought I can land it, and I didn't.
Hey Josh, what are you doing there?
Oh.
What did you do?
My child. You molested my child. I don't know what's happening really. I'm just trying to make vlogs here, you know. I'm gonna try to make at least one video a week. I have no gas. What are you doing? Why? Ooh. Very loud, very nice. Okay. That's funny.
Oh,
alright, can we go get pizza now, please? Thank you, let's go. Can we do it right now? No, we're not running. No. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. 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 Your car was on this entire time?
Why?
Was it on?
Yeah.
I thought it was off.
It's
so quiet, I couldn't tell. Oh my god, he just puts it in drive and goes. We got some pizza, hot and ready. Mom's spaghetti, palms are sweaty.
God, look at that shit. She's already going.
Go. VTEC kick in, bro. Floor it. Okay, okay. We just got
Took me
to
that
60.
long to get to 60.
It just got to 60. Oh yeah. Would you just look at these headlights every time? We got home, pizza's hot, the steering wheel is waiting, games are waiting, and Josh is like, hey, help me wash the dishes. I am nice, so I'm gonna go help him. Why is this happening to me? Why do I have to do this? So I didn't record, but this was me drifting. Real good. I have to film it. I did not touch any walls until the very end. It was awesome. And I touched it there. I thought it was pretty good, you know? It's pretty good. Get me, bitch! I'm gonna get shit on.
Alright, ready? Go!
There's my nipple.
Oh.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, my Captain Morgan's coming up.
Son, that 4 local bank coming
Okay,
up.
okay, get up.
Get your ass up.
It's okay. It's okay.
I'm here to end this vlog. I don't know what the hell we just did. We played games, we ate pizza, we wrestled, we did some parkour. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm really thankful for everybody who literally subscribed to me from Caleb's channel, from Jim's channel. I'm honestly very amazed. Over 400 people came over to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Stay positive. Bye.